ब्रह्म वा इदम अग्रे आसीत तदा आत्मानम एव अवेद अवेत. Then he knew himself. Who? That ignorant Jeev. What he knew then? Aham Brahmasmiti. अच्छा. Tasmat tat sarvam abhavat. Then he became all. अब this line is a very pregnant line. And now I will like to take you to the gist of what Bhashyakar says and how the argument starts on this point. There is a very lovely points are there. This student said, Guruji, I think, But you said Brahman here, it refers to only Jeev. Not the Brahman who is appearing as Jeev. Difference you see. He is saying, this Brahman, twice Brahma word is coming. One is Brahma idam agre asit and other is Brahmasmi. He said, I think the first time when the Brahman is coming, it refers to only Jeev. And this Jeev, he went to the teacher. After that he knew the Brahman, then he became all. That means Jeev became like I became young. I was not an officer, I became. Okay. Well, then why the Brahma word has been used? Well, Brahma word has been used, This is called Brahma Bhavi Purusha. Because in future it has to be Brahma, therefore it has been used as Brahma. Somebody just passed MBBS. And he came in the house, but MBBS I have passed. People started calling me, Aiye Doctor Sahab. He doesn't know how to handle the stethoscope also. When Doctor Sahab aa jaiye. He said, I am here to attend one class. I don't know anything. But because he will be future doctor, therefore I am referring as doctor. Student is saying this. अच्छा तुमको जो बोलना हो पहले तुम बोल लो. Whatever you have to say, you say. Then I will say what is fallacy in your. Well, don't think I am wrong, Gurudev. No. Whatever you are right, I will tell that. Don't worry about it. And I will not stop unless you are convinced. Because problem is intellectual, solution also has to be intellectual. I have heard one line. Vale Swamiji, this Vedantis is all intellectual knowledge. अच्छा, यहाँ आप लोग जो है ना, you do intellectually you all think. अच्छा, your problem of काम क्रोध is also intellectual. Because your काम क्रोध and your misunderstanding is intellectual, therefore understanding also has to be intellectual only. You have misunderstanding that I am finite. You have misunderstanding that I need a lot to make me happy. You have a misunderstanding that the world is real. You have misunderstanding that Jeev will pass away. Bundle of misunderstandings are all highly deeply rooted in the intellect. So Vedanta will only act at the intellectual level to remove the intellectual problem. If physical problem is there, you need a physical treatment. If you have fever, you don't need to hear. When we were in the ashram, if anybody had fever, pain in the hand, a doctor used to come. And that doctor was so funny. He used to say, see, where is the pain? He said, hand. Bole, this is drishya or drishta? So, bole, drishya. Bole, then pain doesn't belong to you. अब हैंड पेन वॉज कंटिन्यूइंग. भाई हम तो नहीं कह रहे हैं कि पेन इज इन द आत्मा. सो व्हेन यू हैव पेन एट द बॉडी लेवल, यू शुड ट्रीट एट द बॉडी लेवल. You have hunger at the body level, please go and eat food, don't read Vedanta. If you are feeling cold, you put on sweater. No, I'll do chanting. No, chanting won't take away cold. I will go and hear. No. Problem will be solved at that level only. Dream hunger will be going by dream food. बोले हम खूब पानी पी के सो रहे हैं जिससे कि ड्रीम में प्यास ना लगे. ऐसा नहीं होगा. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. सो दिस पॉइंट व्हाट ही इज सेइंग, बोले जीव आत्मा आप मान लीजिए. बोले अच्छा ठीक है, व्हाट मोर यू हैव टू से. ब्रह्म भावी पुरुषः लक्षणेन जीवा एव ब्रह्मोच्यते. दिस इज स्टूडेंट और पूर्व पक्ष. अच्छा, so what you want to say? I want to say, Gurudev, this Jeev became Brahman. Acha. And then this Jeev became Brahman, he became all. Acha. And therefore the word abhavat is written. Bhu dhatu means to become. Okay, this is my first point. Second point. Shruti says, Brahm is different, Jeev is different. Brahm is Sarvagya and Sarvantaryami, and Jeev is Alpagya and he has no Antaryami property. Third point. Again and again it is said that Paramatma should be Anveshitavyaha. It should be searched, known, Jnatavyaha. That means it is not here, therefore you have to search. This Jeev should be searched. Third point. Okay. First he said, Jeev is becoming. Second he said, Shruti has said. Third he said, that Shruti herself says it should be known. And fourth point, you said there are 9 schools of philosophy. Other than Vedanta, all say that Jeev is different and Paramatma is different. Fourth point. Our experience also say that we are not Ishwar. How come, therefore, you are putting the word Brahman for Jiva? Argument will go subtler. I need your attention. And if you are interested, you go through the Bhashya. You can see everything what I am saying in a long form. 4 points again I will say. He is saying Brahman word is used for the Jeev with a future tense because he is going to become Brahman, therefore Jeev. Second thing, Shruti says Dva Suparna Sayuja Sakhayaha. Next time. Samanam Vriksham Purush Parishashvajate Tayoranya Pippalam Swaduvatti Anashnan Anyo Abhichakashiti. Mundak. Only there is one tree, there are 2 birds sitting there. 2 birds, yes. One bird is eater of fruit and other bird is fasting. Acha? Why fasting? This tree is samsara tree. One bird which is eating fruit is a Jeev. And other bird who is just seeing, he is Ishwar. So clear cut 2 has been mentioned. And you are putting one here. You are putting the Brahman itself as Jeev. And third point, repeatedly it is said one should know the Brahman, one should search for the Ishwar. And fourth point, छोड़ो आप सबको. We don't feel I am Ishwar. My name may be Ishwar, but we don't feel that I am Ishwar. And therefore, whenever we felt I am Brahman, after coming here only you told I am Brahman, And never we felt I am Brahman. One boy came and said, Bole, I had never ignorance, only after coming to Vedanta class ignorance came. You only told ignorance is there. And after you told so many times, now I also feel it like that. Otherwise I had no ignorance. उनके भाई गलती हो गई हमने तुमको इग्नोरेंट बना दिया तुम तो ज्ञानी थे पहले from being a jnani you became ignorant. It is like the doctor says, you know, you have cancer. He said, you gave me the cancer. And now what the answer is given, you please see. Bhashakar's answer is, and this will continue. This will continue one or two classes. He says, देखो, if Brahman is Jivatma, Upanishad says Atmanam ev aveda. This Brahman knew the Atma. First line. And after knowing that, he is saying, Aham Brahmasmi. If you become something after knowing, then you are already there. नहीं समझे? That Jeev, which I am talking, I am saying it is Brahman, you are saying it is Jeev. After knowing, it says Aham Brahmasmi. If after knowing you become, that means you are already there. Knowledge doesn't change anything. One day, I was searching for my mobile. Where is my mobile gone? People take my mobile and they replace it. So one boy laughed. He said, you are holding it. Actually, in the mobile, somebody asked the number. Then I was searching for the mobile. Mine must be somewhere else. Then I said, okay, I got back my mobile. I became mobile one. If by knowledge I got something, that means I already had that. I was earlier also with mobile. I didn't get anything. Knowledge doesn't give anything. If by knowledge you get anything, then you have not gotten it. You had it earlier only. And therefore, when he has used the word aveda, Atmanam aveda, and then he says, I am Brahman, Brahma, Aham Brahmasmi, that means he alone must be the Brahman earlier also. Okay. Okay. Typical example is of the, similarly necklaces also. I lost my necklace. While sleeping, the mother lost the necklace. Then she discovered the necklace had gone at the back. She didn't gain the necklace. She realized the necklace. This realize word is very good, huh? You know what does mean realization? What? In realization, there is no physical work involved. I was not talking to you because I thought you are not a good person. I was keeping away from you. After 1 year, few things happened. What? I realized you are very good. What do you mean? Realization means what? Wrong knowledge removed. Removal of ignorance is called realization. I didn't do anything, and neither you changed. I didn't do any physical action. Neither you did any physical action to make me realize. There was no objective change. It was a subjective removal of ignorance in my mind. What I had forgotten, another word I will use now. I was searching my glasses. Everybody who has glasses, he must have forgotten many times where I have kept the glasses. It is not possible that you have not forgotten your glasses somewhere. However careful you may be, and somewhat to say of careless people. Some people are extremely careless. I forgot where I have kept my... And I asked others, did you see my glasses? So he asked the question, where had you kept? If I had known this, I would have got it. Don't ask such questions. But think, where had you kept? When did you see the glasses last? I think I don't know where I had kept. Then I started thinking. Then I realized that while washing the face, I took my glasses and put near that wash basin only. Then I rushed towards the wash basin and saw glasses were there intact. Then actually realization word means removal of forgetfulness. It's a very good word. I like this word a lot. Realization. Only because you are knowing it and realizing that, and you say you are up, you are Braham Brahmasmi. Therefore, you are earlier also Brahman. And therefore, this knowledge is called Brahma Gyan, not Jeev Gyan. All this is mentioned here. My challenge is to how to put it in the words which can be easily understood without going into too much of problematic technical language. So here Brahma Vidya. So first word was Aveda, and second is the word called, this is called Brahma Vidya and not Jeev Vidya. Okay. So if it was Jeev Vidya मतलब क्या? जीव की विद्या, जीवस्य विद्या. एंड ब्रह्म विद्या क्या? ब्रह्मणः विद्या, ब्रह्म की विद्या, जीव की विद्या नहीं है ये. बिकॉज विद्या विल ऑलवेज टेंड किसकी विद्या एट द एंड. So if it was said Brahma Vidya, then this name will be Vaiyarthyakyat. Brahma Vidya Upadesh Vaiyarthyat Bhavati. This is 2 points. Now a student says, Bole, can I say something? Say. First time when Brahma was used, it was Jivatma. Okay? Second time when Brahman was used, it is Brahman. As a result of the knowledge of the Brahman, he became all. So you mean to say Jeev became Brahman, Brahman became all. Exactly. Teacher, I think you are in tune with me. So what do you want to say? I want to say, Aham Jivatma Brahmasmi. यार तुम सोचते काफी हो. You think a lot. My dear, sit down. If Jivatma is different from Paramatma, how can this Jivatma become Paramatma? By two things, if they are naturally different, how can guava become mango? You are saying Jeev has become Paramatma. How can it become something which is not there? No, when he says, Purupaksh is saying, Aham Brahmasmi, even though it is wrong knowledge, willingly, but I think. What do you think? You think also? Yes. I think as a Jeev he did Upasana of Brahman. And after doing Upasana of Brahman, he became Brahman. देखो पहले समझो बिकमिंग एरिया क्या है एंड समझ लो उपासना क्या है. इट्स ऑल अवर हिडन डाउट्स विच आर बीइंग ब्रॉट आउट. डोंट थिंक इट इज देयर डाउट. बोले जीव ब्रह्म बन जाता है. इन बिकमिंग समथिंग देयर इज अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन व्हाट यू आर एंड व्हाट यू वांट टू बिकम. I want to become a rich person. That means you are not rich right now. I want to become married. Yeah, that means I am not married now. It is tat desh, tat kal, tat vastu. And etat desh, etat kal, etat vastu. Where something I don't have, and that what I want to become is not now. And now I will work something, and then I will become that. So right now it is absent. Right now it is absent. If you had to become Brahman, you know what mistake you are doing? You are making Brahman finite because you are not now Brahman. You are making it conditioned by tat desh, tat kal. You are confining that Brahman. You are making it finite. तुम समझ नहीं रहे तुमसे गलती क्या हो रही है. If God is finite in some desh and some kal, that means he'll die away. बोले supposing I say I'm doing upasana of Brahman. देखो हम समझो upasana is of something other than yourself. Upasana is not about what you already have. Upasana is based on something else, Hiranyagarbha Upasana, Vishnu Upasana. And Upasana is based on Nikrishta Vastuni Utkrishta Dhyanam. On something small, you are thinking on something bigger and pervasive. Okay. And Upasana is repetition of a certain thought. Something which is not with you, it needs Upasana, you will get it. It needs karma, you will get it. I am not in main Bombay, Navi Mumbai, Amchi Mumbai. No, I will think about Bombay. I will know Bombay is, and I will go. I will be in Bombay. No, what is other than you? You have to do action to get it. You have to take a taxi or car or find out who is going if you want to save money, and then you go to Bombay. बैठे बैठे नहीं ज्ञान से नहीं होगा कि बम्बई है. नहीं. क्यों? It is not here. Upasana's area is where something is different than you and it is not here and it is bigger. Then you repeat a certain thought and then by you what you think continuously you become. This is the Upasana. So on something small, you are thinking of big. Acha. So don't you think that it is a kind of, I'm just thinking on something which is not there. Yes. But if it is Shastri, it is called Upasana. Gyan Purvakam Anyatha Pratipatti Upasanam. Agyan Purvakam Anyatha Pratipatti Samsara. Bhranti. So you are doing Upasana. So you're not doing Upasana of Brahman. No, you cannot do because it is not different than you. And let me tell you, answer is given by Bhashkar. Upasana cannot leave due to Purnatvam. Because you will attain something and anything attained will be lost. And you can never attain Purnatvam because Purnatvam cannot be attained. It is here and now only. Moksha is not karma phal and moksha is not upasana phal. Well, then what does this mean that I will attain moksha? What does this mean? ध्यान से सुनना. Meaning of attaining moksha is to know that you are not bound. Again say slowly, slowly. Meaning of attaining moksha is to know that you are not bound. You are not attaining moksha. You are removing the bondage on the Atma. You are not doing anything for liberation. You are removing the I am bound, this notion you are removing. And moksha is not karma phal, because any karma phal we exhausted. Therefore, those who go to lokas like Jai Vijay, they have to come back. Moksha is not karma phal, moksha is not upasana phal, because anything born out of action is like throwing the stone on the top. As long as speed is there, it will be on the top. After that, it will fall down. बोले मुक्त थे पहले, अब फिर बंधन में आ गए. इनका मुक्ति का टाइम 4 साल था, वो 4 साल खत्म हो, टेन्योर खत्म हो गया मुक्ति का, फिर जीव बन गए. ऐसा नहीं. And therefore, this Brahman which we are referring in the first word is not Jivatma. Paramatma. Our Brahman is not Jivatma becoming. It is not Jivatma becoming Brahman. Okay. It is the Paramatma who is appearing as Jivatma, my dear. And then what it was said, it was knowing the crust of ignorance which was there on that Brahman is removed. And then the Brahmasmi, that knowledge he had. So you mean to say that on that Brahman, there was the adhyas. Adhyas word I can use, I'll explain later on. There is adhyas of asarvatva. These words are technical. I am not all. I am localized. Asarvatva abhyas is there. So all the knowledge of this Jivatma is adhyas on Brahman. Adhyas means what? Atasmin tad buddhi. Where something is not there, you are putting that. Well, I'm tired, Swamiji, now. Achha? Something is not there. And something is there. I was seeing I thought, I went near the sea beach. I said, wow, what a silver is there. Who has left the silver? Let me take the silver and give as a donation to the mission. Some money will come. Achha? So slowly I picked up that silver. It was a shell. Where silver was not there, their superimposition of the silver is called adhyas. Where Jeev Bhav, where Karta Bhokta is not there in that Atma, I put on all these things. And any misunderstanding, this is a misunderstanding. Adhyas, what is the location of adhyas? Location. Bombay. Location of adhyas? Intellect. And therefore it will be removed in the intellect. बोले हम गलती से समझे, अब आप सही समझो इसको. Therefore, we require knowledge. So, अब्रह्मत्व निवृत्ति, ध्यान देना, अब्रह्मत्व निवृत्ति is ज्ञानम. Knowledge is अब्रह्मत्व निवृत्ति. Removal of the notion of I not being Brahman on I. अब देखो, Sanskrit word you can just say. An English word, long sentence है. अब्रह्मत्व निवृत्ति removal of the sense that I am not complete is the work of Vedanta. And therefore, what you said, four points what you gave, that Jivatma became the Brahman, is not true, my dear. He said, I have more questions, but we'll see tomorrow. Topic is subtler. We'll see tomorrow.